Dear listeners, welcome to today's talk, one that could transform your intimate well-being and help you embrace a healthier, more fulfilling sexual life. I'm here as a woman who has spent a lifetime studying medicine, sexology, and the intricacies of sexual health, particularly for individuals who, like you, have reached a stage of maturity where wisdom guides your choices. Today, we're focusing on men over 50 who want to enhance their intimate experiences and revitalize their connections with their partners. Aging is natural, but the desire for a vibrant, satisfying sexual life doesn't have to fade. It's never too late to nurture your body and rediscover joy in your relationships. In today's session, we'll explore something simple yet powerful: aphrodisiac juices. Yes, nature's bounty can help improve your erections, boost your confidence, and even enhance your overall emotional and physical well-being. These aren't magic potions, but natural allies that, when incorporated into your lifestyle, can make a profound difference. I know many of you might feel frustrated or disheartened. Perhaps your body doesn't respond as it did in your 20s or 30s. Erections might be less firm or frequent, and it's normal to feel a sense of loss. But here's the truth: your body is still capable of vitality, and nature is your greatest ally. With the right tools, you can reclaim confidence and enjoy deep, meaningful intimacy. Let's start with a favorite: watermelon juice. It's not just delicious. It's packed with citrulline, an amino acid that helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation, much like certain medications for erectile dysfunction. Just one glass in the morning can set the stage for better performance in the evening. Plus, it hydrates your body, a crucial factor for overall sexual health. Next, we have pomegranate juice, a potent antioxidant that supports heart health and circulation. Daily consumption for as little as 2 weeks can significantly improve erection quality. A small glass in the morning allows your body to absorb its benefits throughout the day. This refreshing green juice combines celery, known for androsterone, a hormone that stimulates sexual desire, and cucumber, which hydrates and promotes relaxation. Together, they create a natural tonic that improves circulation, reduces stress, and supports intimacy. Consuming this 2 or 3 times a week can be a game changer. Now let's talk about ginger and lemon juice. Ginger is famous for its stimulating properties, increasing blood circulation to erogenous zones, while lemon, rich in vitamin C, boosts energy and endurance. A cup of this before a special night can enhance your confidence and prepare your body for a memorable experience. Now, let's talk about a classic favorite: banana and almond milk juice. Bananas are loaded with potassium, which is fantastic for improving circulation. And almond milk provides essential fatty acids that support healthy hormone production. This creamy, energizing juice is perfect for kickstarting your mornings. A daily glass as part of your breakfast routine can give you an energy boost and elevate your libido naturally. Next, we have strawberry and grape juice, a combination that's as delicious as it is powerful. Strawberries are packed with antioxidants, while grapes contain resveratrol, a compound that enhances the elasticity of blood vessels. Together, they create a juice that supports blood flow, heart health, and even skin vitality. For the best results, enjoy this juice 3 times a week with your meals to unlock its full benefits. Beetroot juice is up next, and this one is truly a game changer. Beetroot is rich in nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and dilates blood vessels, ensuring improved blood flow to key areas. Studies show its effectiveness in enhancing endurance and erection quality. Since this juice has a bold flavor, I recommend starting with half a cup in the afternoon and gradually increasing the portion as your body adjusts. Another incredible option is maca juice. Maca, a root native to the Andes, has been used for centuries as a natural aphrodisiac. This juice is perfect for boosting libido and sexual energy, while also promoting hormonal balance and sperm production in men. Just 1 glass a day can provide noticeable, long-term benefits. You can mix maca powder with your favorite juice for an easy and effective solution. Let's not forget pineapple and honey juice, a sweet tropical option with impressive effects. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, an enzyme known to enhance testosterone levels and improve the quality of erections. Combined with honey, a natural source of energy, this juice is ideal for moments when you want an extra boost. A small glass before a special evening can work wonders, helping you feel confident and revitalized. Before we wrap up, let me introduce an honorable mention: Bajo juice. This tropical fruit is a powerhouse of natural energy and sexual vitality. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, Bajo is renowned for boosting testosterone levels, improving blood circulation, and enhancing overall energy. Drinking this juice 2 to 3 times a week can increase stamina, heighten desire, and leave you feeling vibrant and motivated. You can enjoy it on its own or mix it with other juices to suit your taste. If you're looking to expand your aphrodisiac juice repertoire, Bajo juice is a must-try. It's a natural way to fully embrace and celebrate your intimate moments. Let's end with a truly indulgent option: cocoa and almond juice. Cocoa, rich in theobromine, has mood-enhancing properties that stimulate the nerves and create a sense of relaxation and intimacy. When paired with almonds, a great source of zinc and magnesium, it supports hormonal balance and promotes overall well-being. This juice is especially enjoyable as a warm beverage in the evening, perfect for unwinding and creating a cozy, intimate atmosphere. As we come to the close of this talk, I want to leave you with an important reminder. Sexual health is about much more than just physical vitality. It's intricately tied to your emotional and mental well-being, and it plays a vital role in living a fulfilling and balanced life. Aging doesn't diminish the importance of sexual health. It simply changes how we approach it. It's easy to overlook this part of ourselves as the years go by. But just like any other aspect of health, it requires care, attention, and nourishment. By embracing nature's remedies and incorporating them into our daily routines, we can sustain intimacy, pleasure, and connection in new and meaningful ways, regardless of age. If today's talk resonated with you, I invite you to become part of our growing community. Subscribe to our channel, Ageless Guidance, where we explore topics that support your journey toward greater health and intimacy. Together, we'll continue to learn, grow, and thrive in this vibrant stage of life. Remember, the best is yet to come. By investing in your sexual and emotional well-being, you're ensuring that each chapter of your life is filled with vitality, connection, and joy. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care and be well.